Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to add or change your recovery email address on your Google account. Open your favorite browser. Go to accounts.google.com. In the left sidebar, click on Personal Info. Now, under Contact Info section, click on Email. Click on Recovery Email. You may need to log into your Google account again. Enter your password and click Next. Enter the new email address you want to use. Click Next. A 6-digit code will be sent to your new recovery email address. Check your email and enter the 6-digit code. Click Verify. As you can see, our recovery email has been changed. This is how you can add or change your recovery email address on your Google account. Thank you for watching.